Today is our story time. Yesterday, we made some beautiful mask in the class. Yes? So are you ready? Let's start now. Ma'am has a magic box. Ma'am have lot of surprises in it. Let's see what is in it. Woo, woo, woo. Now what is this? Yes, it is a dog. It is a black dog. And dog is a pet animal. Now see what else it is in this box. Woo, 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 woo. Again a dog. It is a beautiful white dog. Who has a white dog in your house? Yes, Khushi has a white dog. Now what else I have? Shoo! Now this is a bear. Bear eats honey. It is a wild animal. Now I have one more thing. Now what is this? It is a penguin. It is a bird. Now I have one more colorful thing for you. It is a tortoise. Tortoise lives in the water and on land also, and it walks very slowly. Now I have one naughty animal for you. Shoo, with a big tail. It is a naughty monkey and it lives on the trees. It can jump on the trees. Now I have one small bird for you. Tweety tweety. You have seen lots of birds, na? They can fly with their wings. So we have lots of animals around us. And dog, cat, cow, they are pet animals. And some animals live in jungle. So they can't live on our houses. So today I will narrate a story about a wild animal. A big wild animal. And can you guess which animal? Yes. So a story is the tiger and the mosquito. Mosquito, छोटा सा मच्छर सबके घर में आता है. And tiger, a big wild animal. You all know about tiger? Yes, the story is the tiger and the mosquito. Now I have a big tiger for you. Yes, it is a big tiger, wild animal with a long tail. And I have a small tiger also for you. It can sit here, this small tiger. Okay, you can see it after class. Okay, so it's a wild tiger. And you know how tiger roars? Yes. Now you also roar like a tiger. Very good. And it has a long tail. It has lines on its body. And lie, हम अपने पैरों को क्या बोलते हैं? Feet. तो टाइगर के क्या होते हैं? Paws. These are called paws, पंजे. और इसमें बड़े बड़े नेल्स होते हैं सबको मारने के लिए. Okay? Now we start the story. So he was sleeping under a tree. Like I was sitting under a tree. Under, नीचे, आराम से सो रहा था पेड़ की ठंडी छाया में. So then that time a mosquito came. You know how mosquito make sound? Buzz. जब आप अपने घर में सो रहे होते हो तो आपके कान में आके करता है ना वो बस. Yes, make sound of a mosquito. Buzz. Very good. So it came buzzing. So the tiger said, "Go away. Don't come here. Don't irritate me." But the mosquito again started buzzing. It said, "Why should I go away? I am not afraid of you." Afraid, डरना. He said, I'm not afraid of you. मैं तो तुमसे नहीं डरता. So the tiger was angry. He makes an angry sound. He said, go away. But the mosquito started buzzing. So the tiger hit the mosquito with his paw. With his paw. But the mosquito, it flew off. Mosquito तो छोटा सा है. It flew off. And the paw scratched his cheek. The paw scratched his cheek and it started bleeding. Why? You know why? Yes, because of nails. आपके nails तो मम्मा काट देती है ना, but उसके बड़े बड़े nails थे. Then again the mosquito started buzzing. Again the tiger was angry and he stuck with another paw. But again the mosquito flew off. छुटका सा था वो तो. So the paw and nails struck his cheek again and it started bleeding. Now the tiger was irritated and angry. But the mosquito came and started buzzing again. Tiger was so helpless. He walked away quietly. So the mosquito said, don't be proud, my friend. Everyone has great in his way. चाहे कोई छोटा सा हो, लेकिन सब अपने अपने में great और important होते हैं. So you like the story? Yes. Now we clap for tiger and the mosquito. Now kids, the words we learn through story is, first word is under. Under. Under a tree. The tiger being under the tree. Now the next word is afraid. Darna. I am afraid of tiger. But mosquito was not afraid of tiger because he can fly off. Yes. But and now we have learned three things also. First is angry. First is angry. How you become angry? Angry. Yes, show me your angry face. Angry. Very good. And we have happy face. Happy. Happy. सब लोग अपना happy face बनाएंगे. Yes, very good. Happy. And we have sad face. सब लोग sad हो जाएंगे. Yes. So tomorrow we will revise all these words. Just show me your angry face. Yes. Very good. Now happy face. And now sad face. Okay, well done girls. Now the activity is, I will give you these masks. I painted all these. You will color it and make mask of it. And then tomorrow you will narrate the story with your mask. Okay? Very good. Now story time is over. I hope you all like the story. Okay, clap for you.